Well, good morning and happy Monday to you. This is James Hecker, Mortgage Advisor, NMLS number 214601. And today is Monday, December 19th, 2022. So, first of all, let me just say, Nullagana Gwitch. That is Irish for Happy Christmas. And so this is the final week of Advent and the week of preparation for Christmas this coming Sunday. And I just wanted to let you know that my hope for you is that the things that are most important are those things that are in your life as we approach Christmas this Sunday. And if you're not celebrating Christmas, perhaps that might be Hanukkah. Well, Hanukkah started yesterday, and that goes through December 26th, also known as the Festival of Lights. That is a celebration, actually, of the rededication of the temple in Jerusalem in the 2nd century BC that occurred with the rebellion against the oppressors, the Greek Syrian oppressors of the Jewish people at that time. So whatever your holiday that you choose to celebrate, I hope that you celebrate it with those you love and with those things that are most important in mind. And so then let's see what's happened in rates. What's the recap? Well, last week the Feds did increase the discount rate by 0.5%, as was expected, and that is less. 1.5% is less than the 0.75% increases that they've done the last 4 times in a row. So it's been pretty fast increase in rates in order to get inflation under control. And so the inflation data last week came in a little bit better than expected as well. And so those two things, the lower increase by the Feds and the better inflation actually caused rates to end up a little bit lower, mortgage interest rates a little bit lower at the end of last week. And so what do we have to look forward to this coming week? Well, a couple of things. The PCE, or the Personal Consumer Expenditures Report, basically what people are spending their money on, and the Consumer Sentiment Report are both coming out this Friday. Now, the interesting thing about that is people's sentiment and what they're actually doing in their spending patterns don't always actually align. So in general, people are spending money. They're not buying houses as quickly. They're not buying big ticket items, cars and things as quickly, but they're still spending money on non-essentials. And so that is something that the Feds are still working against inflation, because the more people spend, the more demand there is for goods, and the prices go up on that. So that is something for us to consider as we go into this week. That would indicate that mortgage interest rates might be a little choppy during the week and might end up a little bit higher at the end of this week. Just a little bit, I think. I don't think we're going to see any drastic movements, but a little bit higher at the end of this week because of those reports. And also going into a holiday, the market tends to be a little bit more conservative. So that's kind of what we have to look forward to. If you have any questions about your situation, if you're thinking of buying a home, maybe taking some money out of your home to do a remodel, or buying another property as well, by all means, give me a call at 661-714-2145. I'd be happy to spend the time going over your specific situation. And also, if there's anybody that you know that should be having this conversation, let me know. I'd be glad to help them. Please like and subscribe. I'd be grateful for that as well. And you have a wonderful week and an absolutely beautiful and wonderful holiday. Merry Christmas.